Hi guys, it's Karla with Interior Design, and today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of my design process in this master bedroom. And make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you're notified every Thursday when I release a new design video. So this master bedroom came together quite interestingly, and I want to kind of take you through the process. We actually didn't put it together all at once. It was sort of one piece at a time in evolution, but I love the way it turned out. The first thing we did was choosing the headboard. So the homeowner really wanted something in a real soft, it's almost like a velvet material, and she wanted the headboard to be really high. So it was the first thing we did was picking out the height and the material of the headboard. Once we received the headboard, we were originally gonna go with a white wall behind it and have everything very light and airy. The colors didn't work together. The white against the bed didn't work with the white against the wall. So we thought about doing wallpaper, but instead we thought, why not paint it? And why not paint it black? We really accent it in black in the rest of the house, so we thought this would make it flow. And I love the way it turned out. I'm not one usually for accent walls in the other areas of a home, but I love an accent wall in a bedroom. So we painted that black. The next thing was the side tables. I do usually go with symmetry, the same side tables, and we also went with symmetry in the lamps. I want to give you a little tip about bedside lamps because I see a lot of little itty bitty ones. When you are sitting in bed, the bottom of the shade should be about shoulder height, and that's going to be the perfect size for your lamp and for reading and in scale of the bedroom. And then next, it's having fun. We went with some linen bedding just to make it more casual, some fun pillows that have the dark and the light to it, and then also a rug that's got a ton of texture to warm up the space. So another thing, if you're gonna go with a dark wall like this, which we did, which really adds a dramatic effect, but the nice thing is this room is still light and bright and airy, and the reason is the other choices that we made, whether that is the headboard, whether that's the bedding, the light above, even the carpet, they've got a lot of texture and lightness and brightness to the room. And I wanted to show you the other side of the bedroom here. If you have this space, what I typically see is people kind of filling it with big furniture, but what I encourage you to do is create a really calming moment in your bedroom with some smaller scale furniture. Like we went with this chair with nice thin legs to it. It's got darkness in the material, which then goes with the black on the wall. We've got a really nice side table with glass, which reflects things and makes it airy as well. A really fun, funky light, and then a basket as well. So it just creates a moment of not only looks good, makes your room feel good, but hopefully it's actually somewhere you sit and read and enjoy. But before decorating any room, including a bedroom, you need to know what your personal design style is. So I've included my free Finding Your Design Style quiz, and you can link to it below.